Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And this is another free product a vendor has sent to me, and this is a paid review. Let's get straight to it, shall we? And today, the vendor has sent me a great product. It is a multi-function ultrasonic cleaner, and this thing is just going to be great. It cleans anything. It can clean your dentures, jewelry, baby pacifiers, aligners. It can clean just about anything that is sensitive that you don't really want to clean with harsh chemicals. So I went into my wife's jewelry collection and got a few items that we're going to clean today. And I'm going to clean my dad's wedding ring that I've been wearing also. So here I got a cetirizine necklace that is on a mount. I don't even think it's really real silver, but we've got that, and it's kind of a filthy mount. Here is a very expensive piece. It's a silver and gold and matching earrings. We're going to clean those up. And here's my dad's wedding ring, old wedding ring, and it's really filthy. I'm going to clean that up. Just put some hot water, warm water, in it up to the fill line. And I'm going to drop these earrings directly into the water so that they get right onto the stone and my dad's ring, so that they are right on the metal. And then I am going to take these necklaces and put them on this little screen that holds them just above the metal so that they don't get worn out. They're a little bit more pricey pieces, and it sticks magnetically to the lid like that. Probably going to have to move that ring out of the way, I'm thinking. So get that out of the way. There we go. And close that off, and it's got three options: a 5-minute, an 8-minute, and a 10-minute cycle. We're going to select the 10-minute cycle, and there you have it. We will see what happens, and you can tell it's on by that green light on top. We'll see you back in 10 minutes. So we're back. I actually sent the jewelry through 2 cycles of cleaning, just because I wanted to make sure it was really extra clean. And let's see what this stuff looks like, shall we? Oh, oops. I think it got cleaned up really nice. It's very nice. It's very much cleaner and crystallier. Very nice. Next we have the cross. That turned out very nice and shiny. Inside of this ring is gloriously beautiful. It was just really, really dirty on the inside from years. I mean, my dad wore it for his wedding ring for years and years. I'm sure it was never cleaned. And I've been wearing it for, I don't know, maybe 6 months to a year also. And it's never been cleaned. It looks, I mean, I don't know that it's going to be any nicer on the outside, but on the inside, you know, where all the grime builds up underneath the mount, it's amazingly clean. Amazingly clean. And I don't know that the lighting in this room is going to do any justice there, but I'll try to show you the inside. That was black before. Black from dirt. Very nice. Very, very nice. I got all that. That's probably why that water is all dirty. Boy, they shined up really nice. So that is that, and I'm sure the other one is just as nice. You get your multifunction ultrasonic cleaner. Does wonders.